This is the story of a forgotten village, a place where nights used to whisper, where the air itself carried fear, and where a shadow lived beside an old well, a shadow that never slept. In that village lived Circia, a beautiful yet mysterious girl, whose eyes always carried sorrow, as if she bore the weight of an ancient curse. One moonlit night, she went to the well to draw water, but what she found wasn't water. It was something alive, something waiting. The rope trembled in her hand. From the darkness, a long black serpent slithered out, its eyes glowing red, like a man's rage frozen in time. But Circia didn't scream. She just whispered, "I'm not afraid of you." The serpent paused, as if it understood her. By dawn, the villagers found the well stained red. No sign of Circia. Only a shed snakeskin lay near the edge. They said it was no ordinary snake. It was a spirit, returning to finish what death couldn't. Nights grew heavier. Every wind carried a hiss. And then one night, from Circia's empty house, came a scream. When the door was forced open, blood covered the floor. On the wall, written in crimson, were the words, "I have returned." After that night, fear swallowed the village whole. No one dared to step outside after dark. But one young man, Ali, refused to hide. He wanted to uncover the truth. Each night, he dreamed of a woman's voice calling him, "Bring my companion back." Every morning, bite marks appeared on his arm. Yet there was no wound, no blood, only a burning mark that read, "You are next." An old woman gave him a talisman and whispered, "This is no poison, it's a curse. Bury it under the moonlight near the mountain, or she will take us all." Ali went that night. The wind smelled of venom. The ground trembled, and from the soil, the same serpent rose. Behind it, Circia appeared, half woman, half spirit. Her eyes burned like fire. She spoke, "I wasn't born of poison. I was born from a broken promise." Lightning tore the sky open. The earth cracked beneath them. Circia lifted her hand, and the air turned into smoke. Ali screamed as the ground swallowed everything. By morning, the village was silent. No Ali, no Circia, no life. Only the old well remained, and in its dark water, two glowing red eyes stared back. They say if you walk by that well at night, you'll hear a woman's whisper drift through the wind, "Bring my companion back." Then the air turns cold, and the hiss of a serpent follows, waiting for another broken promise.